It's Tony, near Pop House Workshop, and if you're in the market for a track saw, this 7¼ inch Wen track saw, great. I am really enjoying this. The benefit of it being 7¼ too is that I can use the Freud standard blades that I like to use in my saws. So there's another plus. Get to use the blade I prefer. So I was able to use full depth of cut on this maple and just trim the edge so we could square that up to that end there. I also used the track saw to cut that off flush. One pass, not a problem. Didn't lack for power at all, never bogged down. So if you're in the market for a good track saw, grab yourself a Wen. Have a great day, and remember, you can do this.